Hello everyone, this is Alia. Welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to speak about the definite article in Arabic, which is al, and the laam specifically in this al, if it is solar or lunar, all these things. If you have heard about it and you want more details or it's not very clear, then this video I'm sure is going to give you all the details you need to know about it. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. Okay, so the definite article in Arabic is al. Things that we should know about al is that this is the definite article. Number two, it has to come attached to the word, meaning that in English, you write it separately, right? In Arabic, no, you write it attached, one word. This is very important to know. And number three, sometimes the laam in this al, we pronounce it, sometimes not. So it is called solar or lunar, depending on what? It depends on the letter that comes after. Okay, so now let's see. What does solar mean? Solar means two conditions. Number one, the laam in al is not pronounced, is silent. Number two, the letter that follows the laam is doubled. You remember the shadda? If you don't know the shadda, I have another video talking in details about shadda, and I'm going to leave you the link below. Okay, so these are the two conditions for the solar laam. And the other laam, which is called the lunar laam, in this case, is just the opposite. So it is pronounced laam and there is no doubling on the letter after. Okay, very good. Now, how do I know? How do I recognize the laam, if it is solar or lunar? In Arabic alphabet, we have 28 letters, 14 of which are going to be after the solar laam, and the other 14 are going to be after the lunar laam. How do I know? Well, I have found a way to know if the letter is going to make the laam solar or lunar. Think about where is the location of the letter. Where do you pronounce it from? So, if the letter comes when you use the tongue and the teeth, this is a solar laam. If the letter comes if you use the throat or the lips, then this is a lunar laam. And let's see, for example, alif. How do I pronounce alif? I say eh. So it comes from the throat, and so I'm going to use the lunar laam, al-asad, for example. Okay, the letter b from the lips, so al-bab. All right, the letter, for example, ta, I use my teeth and tongue, so it's going to be a solar letter. S, teeth. So again, this is a solar letter. If you apply this rule to all the letters, you will see that the lunar letters are a, ba, ja, because ja, here your throat is vibrating, ja, ha, throat again, ha, throat again, because it doesn't matter, the throat, back, middle, front, it doesn't matter. Okay, and then you will find a, r. I'm just saying the pronunciation, I'm not saying the whole letter. Okay, fa, lips, ka, throat, ka, throat, ma, lips, ha, throat, wa, lips, and ya. Okay, and the rest are solar. If you test them, you will find them also tongue and teeth. Ta, th, d, the, ra, z, s, sh, so, da, ta, va. Okay? And n, l. La is totally l. Okay? Is totally tongue. N. So this is how you can know if it is solar or lunar. And about the pronunciation, for example, the lunar, I would say al-qamar. I pronounce the lam and no doubling. While the solar, I do not pronounce the lam and I double. So I say ash-shams. I don't say al-shams. I say ash-shams. Ash-shams. Okay? One more hint I want to add to this video for those of you who are learning Egyptian. Notice that we said 14 and 14. In Egyptian, we have two letters that are lunar. In the standard Arabic, we take them from the lunar and we make them solar. What are these two letters? The Gim and the Kaf. Okay? So I say, for example, kitab. I don't say el-kitab in Egyptian. I say ik-kitab. While in Fusha, I say al-kitab. And the Gim, which is the Jim in Fusha, again, I use the G instead of J. So instead of saying, for example, al-jar, I say iggar in Egyptian. Okay? I hope this video was useful and now everything is clearer and it is easier for you to determine if the lam is solar or lunar. If you still have some confusions or comments or questions, I would be more than happy to answer your questions. And that's it for today. See you next time. Bye bye.